Hey guys, it's Natalia, and today to kick off the new year, I'm going to be doing my squishy collection video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get started. So first I have this I Am a Tokyo chocolate English bread. Next I have the same exact one but butter. I have this I Bloom Jumbo Peach. I have this Breado Donut. I have this I Am a Tokyo Milk Bun. Just very slow rising. I have this I Am a Tokyo Coffee Toast. I have this Hello Kitty chocolate donut with white drizzle. I have this Hello Kitty donut with sprinkles. I have this strawberry Hello Kitty donut with sprinkles. This Hello Kitty donut is the strawberry one with chocolate dripping off the sides. I have this yellow and I have this banana and chocolate Breado donut, chocolate shortcake, and it's licensed by I Am a Tokyo and I Bloom. Here is the tag. I have this tan taiyaki fish, which is licensed by J-Dream. I have this Hello Kitty bow macaron. I have this Hello Kitty ice cream squishy. I have this Hello Kitty ice cream squishy. And here's the tag. Next I have this Bear School head bun. I have this Hello Kitty melon bun. I have this Pickles the Frog squishy. I have this Hello Kitty cheetah. I have this Sammy Pumpkin Cream Puff. I have some Crush Balls. And all of their packaging looks like this with netted, with a netted bag at the bottom. So first I have the soccer one. I have the basketball one. And the baseball. I have this One Piece Chopper mascot or character. I have this Hello Kitty in a purple bunny costume. I have this Cafe Dien caramel truffle. I also have this design. have this Hello Kitty powdered donut. And this mini chocolate Hello Kitty donut with white drizzle. I have this Biz milk chocolate squishy. I have this Hello Kitty cream puff. This bird squeeze toy thing. Banana. I have this Senex bird. And this Senex cupcake. I have this Hello Kitty cinnamon biscuit.